To me, the study of digital media is the study of modern life. It's almost impossible to exist in modern society without the use of digital media, and it's even harder to thrive without a firm understanding of how digital technology is intertwined with our lives. We use digital media so much in our everyday life that we almost forget that it's there. We use social media every day, but we almost never stop and think, how can I use this tool more effectively? If you think of digital media as a language, our program is going to teach you how to speak effectively and strategically and eloquently and evocatively. Digital media is still new, and the rules of how we use it are constantly changing. And our classes look at how we can best work within those rules and also how to push the boundaries and change them. But in our program, we go beyond just understanding digital media. It's about harnessing it and controlling it and creating and designing and putting that knowledge and understanding into practice. We think and we experiment and we create. So the diversity of students that I always have in my classes totally blows my mind. I've had social media managers and Army intelligence officers and filmmakers and small business owners and nonprofit grant writers and music producers and a priest. And that was all in the same class. And we all learned from each other and it was marvelous. So every class I teach, I start with the same statement. I want this class to work for you. So you're in marketing, you can learn how to apply these tools and concepts to marketing. You want to be a filmmaker, we can apply these same skills to filmmaking. It's a very flexible program that you can mold to your own benefit, whatever it is. Every major assignment I give is something that students can design to directly relate to their careers or use in their portfolio. For the same assignment prompt, I'll have one student who is planning a marketing campaign and another student who is making a documentary and another student who is designing an app. And then I have students who will write a paper because you can always write a paper. We have students that come in with a ton of digital production experience and then students that come in with absolutely none, but they want to learn new skills. And we're super excited to work with both and everyone in between. This program is a place to explore new ideas and to build your skills and refine your direction in your career. For each production module, we don't just teach a piece of software or hardware. We use the current software and hardware to help students develop adaptable skills that they can apply across different platforms and in different roles now and in the future. Our program is totally asynchronous, so you can plan your schoolwork around your job and your other responsibilities, but that doesn't mean it's impersonal. I'm constantly checking in with my students individually through email or through video chats or just being available if they have issues or questions, or if they want to send me memes. I'll always take memes. We will study memes. Memes are culturally important. In our classes, we look at digital media and we ask, what are you excited about? What are you afraid of? I think the best way to approach your excitement and your concerns about digital media is to face it, is to study it, to learn how it works, what its potentials are, what the pitfalls are, and how you can apply that to succeed in your career.